Every year, thousands of trees are cut down. Forests are cleared for land, buildings, and resources. But when trees disappear, we lost more than just wood. We lost shade. We lost clean air. We lost protection from floods and strong winds. Trees gave us oxygen. They cool the air. They provide homes for animals. They help prevent soil erosion and flooding. Without trees, our future becomes harder, riskier, and less healthy.
But there is hope. Reforestation means planting trees to replace what was lost. One small seed can grow into something powerful. Change begins when we work together. With guidance, teamwork, and responsibility, we can restore what was lost.